Good morning, boys. In the previous section, we have completed up to the problem number 8, the exercise in exercise 2.2. Now we are going to continue with the 9th problem. Here, the floor of the circular swimming pool, whose radius is 7 meter. The swimming pool is in the circular shape. The radius they have given us 7 meter. Has to be connected at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. So, first here they have given radius of the, they have given a radius of the circular swimming pool. Circular swimming pool, they have given us 7 meter. You have to find the area of the swimming pool. We know that the area of the circle is, the formula for area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. So the value of pi is 22 by 7, here 22 by 7 into the value of r is 7. So 7 into 7. So this is equal to, you can cancel the 7, this is 1 time and 1 time. So 22 into 7 is equal to, if you multiply, you will get 7, 14, 154 meter square. So here in the question they have given the area of cementing per meter square is 18 rupees. The cost of 1 meter square they have given us 18 rupees. Rupees 18. We are going to find the cost for 154 meter square. So obviously you have to multiply 154 by 18. So the cost of 154 meter square is equal to, so 154 into 18. So if you multiply, you will get 154 into 18. So 8 4s are 32, 3 carry over, 40, 40 plus 3, 43. 8 plus 4, 12. So 4, 5, 1. So 2 is 7, 7, 2. So the final answer is 2, 7. Since it is a cost, so you have to write it in rupees. So the cost of 154 meter square is 2772. Cost of 154 meter square is equal to 2772. Now we'll up to 9 problem we have completed. We are going to see objective type question. Just take the page number 34, the 10th problem. The formula used to find the area of the circle is dash square units. Option A they have given 4 pi r square, option B pi r square, option 3 2 pi r square, option 4 pi r square plus 2r. We know what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. So the 10th question, option B is the correct answer. So pi r square. Here the 11th problem, the ratio of the area of the circle to the area of its semicircle. Ratio of the area of circle, we know the symbol for ratio. Area of the circle is to area of semicircle. So semicircle means what is the meaning? It is half of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. If you find the ratio area of the semicircle means half of this means half pi r square. So here if you can cancel both the side, pi will be getting cancelled, r square will be getting cancelled, the value will be 1 this side. So 1 is to 1 by 2. If you cross multiply this side, what you will get? You will be getting 2 is to 1. So here the option 1 is the first one they have given us 2 is to 1. Option 1 is the correct answer, 2 is to 1. Then the second 12th problem. Area of the circle of the radius n units is 2 pi. First option they have given 2 pi r square units, pi m square units, pi r square units, fourth one pi n square units. Here radius they have given us in the place of radius n square, in the place of radius they have given us n units, radius is n units. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. So what is the value for r radius? They have given us n. So in the place of r you have to substitute n. So pi n square units. So what is the answer? Fourth option is the correct one. So fourth option pi n square units is the correct answer. Now we are going to see the next chapter, area of the circular pathway. We are having two formulas. Number 1, area of circular pathway. Area of circular pathway is nothing but area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area of the outer circle will be area pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. So for the outer circle we will mention it as capital R, pi r square. So minus area of the inner circle is pi small r square. So square units. So this is equal to, if you write the value of pi is common in both the sides. So we are going to take the pi outside, pi of r square minus r square. So this r square minus r square is nothing but we can write it as pi into r plus r into r minus r square units. So in algebra, before that itself you will be learned that r square minus r square, we can write it as a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So this thing I have written here. In the place of r square minus r square, we can write a plus b, r plus r into r minus r. Now the second one is area of rectangular pathway. Area of rectangular pathway. So here This is equal to area of the outer rectangle, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. So this is equal to, we know that area of the rectangle is LB. So LB, capital LB. So why we are writing capital L means it is outer rectangle. So the breadth also capital B. So it is outer rectangle. So minus small l, small b. So capital LB minus small l, small b. So this is square units. So now I will explain. Here I have given the formula. I will explain clearly how the outer circle and inner circle it came. Here we will take the two circle like this. So bigger circle, and then inside it is a smaller circle. The outer circle we are going to take this as capital R. This is the radius capital R. The inner circle, this is small r. So that's what I have mentioned there. Area of the outer circle is pi r square. So we are going to find the area of the circular pathway. This is the pathway. If you have gone, if you have seen in the parks, it will be there in the circular pathway like that. So the inner circle will be there, outer circle will be there. Here the lawn will be there, so many grasses will be there. So we have to find the area for this circle, means we have to use this formula. So this is the area of the outer circle, radius is the outer circle, the inner part is area of the inner circle. So this is the way you have to find out. So pi r square minus pi r square small r square square units. So when it is in the rectangular pathway, if it is in the rectangular pathway like this, so here will be, for the rectangle we will have the length and we will be having the breadth. So this is breadth and this is length. So this is length, it is the outer part of the rectangle. So we will be mentioning this as a capital L, and for breadth we will mention this as capital B. The same way the inner rectangle path it is there, no? So here we will be mentioning this as small l and this is small b. We know that area of the rectangle is L into B. Area of the rectangle is L into B. So area of the outer rectangle is LB, capital L, capital B. Area of the inner rectangle, this is length and this is breadth. So L into B. So area of the rectangular pathway, how we have to, this is the pathway. So what we are doing, we are subtracting the outer rectangle from the inner rectangle, we will get this pathway. If we subtract, we will get this pathway. This is the thing. So now we will go on to the problems. Exercise number 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Problem number 1. Find the area of the circular pathway whose outer radius is 32 centimeter and inner radius is 18 centimeter. So the question, it is in page number 38. Page 38. Refer your book. You can copy the question from your book. First problem. find the area of the circular pathway. You have to find the area of the circular pathway. They have given outer radius is 32 centimeter and inner radius is 18 centimeter. So, outer radius of the circle is outer radius of the circle capital R is equal to, they have given us 32 centimeter. Then inner radius of the circle, small r is equal to 18 centimeter. You have to find area of the circular pathway. So, this is the outer circle and this is the inner circle. So, the inner circle radius they have given as 18 centimeter. Then outer circle radius they have given us 32 centimeter. You are going to find this area of the pathway. So, this is the question mark. This you have to going to find. So, what is the formula for area of the pathway? So, area of the pathway is equal to pi r square minus r square units. Pi r square minus r square units. So, now this is equal to pi into, already in formula I told that r square minus r square, we can write this as r plus r into r minus r. So, this is equal to, the value of pi is 22 by 7 into, what is the value of capital R? 32. 32 plus the value of small r is 18. So, into 32 minus 18. So, this is equal to this is equal to 22 by 7 into 32 plus 18. 0. So, 32 plus 18 into 32 minus 18 is equal to 22 by 7 into 0, 450 into 12 minus 8, 4, 14. So, you can cancel 7 2 times. So, this is equal to 22 into 50 into 2. So, 22 into 50, 0, 5 2s are 10, 1, 10, 11 into 2. So, 2200. The unit they have given us centimeter. So, this is centimeter square. Now, we will see the second problem. There is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the path? Here, the circular lawn they have given as 28 meter. So, the second problem. The lawn they have given in a circular form like this. So 28 meter they have given, this is 28 meter, this is small r, the width they have given us 7 meter. So first we don't know the capital R, we have to find the capital R. So for finding the capital R, the small r is 28 meter, the width is 7 meter. So what we have to do to get this capital R radius? So we have to add 28 plus 7, then you will be getting the capital R. So our capital R is equal to 28 plus 7. So 28 plus 7 is 35 meter. So now a radius of the outer circle, a radius of the outer pathway, capital R they have given, we found out that capital R is 35 meter. Then radius of the inner pathway, radius of the inner pathway, radius of the inner pathway is equal to small r, small r is equal to 28 meter. Now we have to find area of the circular pathway. So area of the circular pathway is pi r square minus r square. Area of the circular pathway, area of the circular pathway is equal to pi r square minus r square square units. So this is equal to pi r plus r into r minus r square units. So this is equal to 22 by 7. The value of r is 35 plus 28, 35 plus 28. Then this is 35 minus 28 is equal to 22 by 7 into 35 plus 28, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 63 into 35 minus 28 is 7. So 7 will be getting cancelled. So 22 into 63. If you multiply 22, 63 into 22, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6, 12, 6, 8, 3, 1. So 1386. So the unit they have given as meter, it is meter square. Now third problem. A circular carpet whose radius is 106 centimeter is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 centimeter. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. So here the circular hall they have given. So we will consider this. This is the hall, the outer circle is the hall, So here they have given this as radius, they have given us the circular hall, they have given us 120 centimeter. This is the capital R. So in this, the circular carpet whose radius is 106 meter. Again, inside the hall, the carpet was placed. Inside the hall, what it was placed? The carpet was placed. The radius for this is 106 centimeter. 106 centimeter. This is smaller. We have to find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. So you have to find this portion. So you have to find this portion, area of the circular pathway which is uncovered by the carpet. So first thing, radius of the outer carpet. Radius of the outer circle. Outer circle is equal to capital R is equal to 120 centimeter. Radius of the inner circle. Radius of the inner circle, small r, is equal to 106 centimeter. So we know that area of the circular pathway, area of circular pathway is equal to, the formula is pi r square minus r square. Pi r square minus r square. So this you can write it as pi r plus r into r minus r square units. So this is equal to pi into the value of capital R is 120 plus 106, then into 120 minus 106. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 226 into 14. So if you cancel 7, this is 2. So 22 into, these are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5, 4, 452. Again you are multiplying 452 by 22. So you will get 4, 5 2s are 10, 1, 8, 9. The same value it will repeat, 4, 0, 9. So 4, 4, 9, 9. So 9,944 centimeters square. A school ground is in the shape of a circle with radius 103 meter. This is a school ground. We will take it as a round shape. The school ground is in the shape of the circle. The radius they have given us 103 meter. Four tracks, each of 3 meter wide, has to be constructed inside the ground for the purpose of track events. So inside the ground, there are 4 tracks are there like this. So first track, so second track, third track, then fourth track. So 4 tracks of each 3 meter wide. So the width, that is 3 meter. So this also 3 meter, 3 meter, and this is 3 meter. Meter. So 4 tracks are there. Find the cost of constructing the track at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. So for 1 square meter, the cost they have given us 50 rupees. So first thing, so radius of the ground is, they have given us 103 meter. Then width of the track is, they have given us width of the track 3 meter. So width of the 4 tracks. Here how many tracks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So width of the 4 tracks will be, width of the 4 tracks is equal to, so 4 into 3. 4 3s are, so 12 meter. So 12 meter is the width of the thing. So now radius of the outer circle is, radius of the ground without the track is 103 meter. Radius of the ground without track. So what we have to do? So this 108 is radius of the outer circle. Here we need without the track is, this is the inner circle. This we need. So 103 minus this 12, it will be the radius of the ground without the track. So this is equal to 103 minus 12 is equal to, you will be getting 91 meter. This is smaller, radius of the inner circle. So radius of the inner circle is 91 meter, radius of the outer circle is 103 meter. So radius of the ground is nothing but outer circle. So radius of the ground is 103 meter, radius of the inner circle, this part is, we have to subtract the radius of the outer circle minus width of the 4 tracks. Width of the 4 tracks is this 12 meter. So 103 minus 12 is 91 meter. So area of the track is equal to area of the 4 tracks. Area of the 4 tracks is equal to area of the ground minus area of the ground without track. Area of the ground without track. So this is equal to area of the ground is pi r square minus area of the ground without the track is pi r square. So this is equal to, so we can take pi into r square minus r square square units. So this is equal to pi into r plus r into r minus r square units. So the value of pi is 22/7, value of capital R is 103 plus small r is 91. So into 103 minus 91. So this is equal to 22/7 into 103 plus 91, 194 into 12. So this is equal to, so if you multiply 22 into 194, 8, 9 2s are 18, 19, 2, 8, 16, 1 carry over, 10, 12, 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8 into 12. 8 2s are 16, 12, 13, 1 carry over, 4, 5, 4 2s are 8, 6, 2, 4, 6, 11, 12, 10, 11, 1, 5. So you will be getting 51,216. So 51,216 divided by 7. So you are going to divide by 7. So 51,216 divided by 7. So if you are taking 7 sevens are 49. So 11 minus 9, 2, 22. So 3 table, 3 sevens are 21. So 1, you bring the 1 again, 1 sevens are 7, 11 minus 7, 4, 46, 6 sevens are 42, then 4, keep the point, 0, 5 sevens are 35, then again 4, 40, so 7,316.5. So this is the unit they have given us, meter, so the meter square. The cost of constructing 1 meter square is equal to rupees 50. Therefore, the cost of constructing 7,316.5 meter square we are going to find out. So what we should do? We have to multiply these two things. So 7,316.5 into 50. So 7,316.5 into 5. So you can write 0 here, 50. So 5 5s are 25. Then 6 5s are 25, 2 carry over. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 3 carry over. So 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 3s are 15, 5, 1 carry over, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 6, 35 plus 1, 36. So here one more 0 we can add like this. So after the decimal point only one digit it is there, so you can able to keep the point here. So cost of constructing for 7,316.5 meter square is equal to, here 0 point here 3,65,825 rupees. So up to this we will complete the fourth problem. The next class we will continue the fifth problem. From the fifth problem we will see from the next class. Thank you boys.